Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. Just going to do a little bit. I got to make a bracket for my hood. Somehow it ended up being missing. I guess it was missing right from the get-go. But anyway, I got to make a little bracket, and I'm going to make the shroud and a couple other little things, whatever happened to get done. But anyway, hang around. See what happens. Hopefully you all have a good time. Hang on, guys. So here's the mechanism that has to go on here. And, sorry, bolts on there anyway. But up here, there's a rod. The rod goes through that little bracket there. Well, on this side, there isn't one. So I just got to make a little bit of a it's an angle iron, but then it has a different angle on here, a compound angle. So anyway, I got to make one of these here. It shouldn't be too hard, just the opposite of what I got here. And we'll get that bolted on. This one here, I don't know how it broke off, but obviously it broke off the other guy. He just welded it on. I don't know why he wouldn't use the screws and put it back in place that way. Anyway, Mickey Mouse job, but I'll fix it up. The hood turned out pretty good. It looks shiny in here, but it's not just because there's a big light over there, but you know, it looks good. I like it. But anyway, hang on, we'll make that bracket. Halfway done. Just go see how that fits. We'll draw up some more. There, now we'll see if this fits. So it has to go like that. Perfect. I like it. Well, I got the brackets on here. They work good. Oops, sorry about that. Both sides work good there, like that. That's one step closer. Then I went and modified the rad shroud, I think that's what it's called. Took this out of the Jimmy, had a lot of cutting to try to get this here to fit. But I did it. It was hitting here, hitting there, wouldn't fit. But anyway, nothing the Sawzall and hacksaw can't fix. But we got that in. We got the hood together and got a couple other little things done, so I'm happy. So we just continue on with whatever else has to be done.